Welcome back. This will be a video on washing locks, and she has a lot of locks, so I figured she would be like the perfect candidate for this. This is also the set of locks from the Detox video. Her locks have been doing very well since the Detox. Very minimal buildup. Practically no more buildup, because after the Detox we just continue washing and clarifying, and most of the remnants are out. But of course there's some things that will never really leave, but the bulk of the buildup is gone. There's no more white film, no more smell. Her hair is doing really well. Let's get into the washing. First thing that I do is I really saturate the hair. I spend like a good 2 to 3 minutes just saturating the hair. After the hair is saturated, I go in with moisturizing shampoo. And as I told you, we have been clarifying her hair, and now that I feel like most of her buildup is gone, or the bulk of it is gone, we use moisturizing shampoo. And the one that I'm using right now is ORS moisturizing shampoo. And I go around the perimeter of the head where the scalp meets the skin, and I really massage and work the shampoo into those areas using the balls of my fingers or my fingertips, not to be confused with my nails, to massage and stimulate the hairline or in the entire perimeter of her head. Now I'm gonna rinse it away and just really massage the rest of her head to loosen up the buildup on her scalp, loosen up any dirt, before I go in with a full shampoo of the whole head, including the hairline and the perimeters. Also, the video for this shampoo bowl is up. It's on this channel if you are curious about this portable shampoo bowl. Once again, going in with the moisturizing shampoo, starting at the perimeter. I'm gonna work the shampoo into the scalp by quadrant because she has a lot of locks. If she didn't have a lot of locks, I probably would just go throughout the entire head, but because she has a lot, I like to section and make sure I get every inch of scalp. I'm gonna add a little bit of water just to help the lather. And as I do that, I'm gonna be working the excess lather down the lock as a pre-wash for her actual locks. It's important to note that I'm not wringing her locks out like clothes, but I'm squeezing all the way down. Squeezing, not wringing. Wringing locks out like clothes thins them out. So now I'm gonna add shampoo to her actual length, and I'm gonna go through and lather and squeeze and make sure that shampoo goes through those locks to really get them clean. And by the time I'm done washing, I probably have applied a total of 3 shampoos. My standard is usually 2 shampoos for a head that's not really dirty. For a head that's moderately dirty, not really dirty, but a head that's really dirty, I might use 3 to 4. It's important to go through and thoroughly rinse everything, because shampoo being left in the lock can cause a white film. It can also cause dryness, breakage, buildup. So here I've thoroughly rinsed, so I'm just squeezing water out of the locks, not wringing, but squeezing. And I've placed towels on both of her shoulders because her hair is really long. I'm gonna towel dry, not completely dry because we're still gonna style her hair. I'm also using microfiber towels. Everything that I've used or shown in this video, there will be a link for it in the description or the comments. And I like using microfiber towels because they prevent lint. They really soak up the water. I squeeze the towels down the length of her locks, and also I go through her scalp with the towels to pick up any excess water. I really try to avoid water just falling and oozing all over my clients because I know that's uncomfortable. Sometimes it's inevitable if we're starting locks, but most times it can be avoided. As I said earlier, her roots are looking really, really good. Usually her roots are non-existent. We can't see the scalp, but they're looking really good because she's been consistent with her retwist and getting maintenance. So here we are, a head full of fresh and clean locks. She wanted plaits or single braids, so I pretty much styled as I retwisted. I used the loop method retwist. If you want to see what that is, how I did that, definitely stay tuned, or there should already be a video up on this exact client, this exact session on how I did the loop method retwist. And this is pretty much her finished product with her single braids or plaits. She's also ditching the whole gel thing, so no gel was used, only moisturizing with oils after washing, styling, and then drying. And of course, I did the shape up after styling. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.